guys, today I'm doing a really easy swipe to create what kind of looks like a nature scene with a hint of fall or autumn. To get started, I'm laying down my various base colors, starting with phthalo blue. All my paint colors and ratios will be listed in the description box, so you can find all the details there. Each of these paints is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone. You can see me adding a drop of silicone to each of the cups in the small frame and then giving the paint a bit of a stir. If you'd like to see how I mix my paints for a swipe painting, I have a video on that which I'll include in the description box. I'm just tilting the canvas a bit to spread the paint around to cover some of the open spaces. Now I'm just covering the open spaces on the canvas with the paint that's left in the cups. Now I'm laying down some ivory black, which is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This black is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone. Okay, now for the swipe. For this, I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic wrapper that the canvas came in. Here I'm using the paint that stayed on the plastic after the swipe to help cover the edges of the canvas. I'm just quickly using a heat gun to help encourage a few more cells to pop up. I really love all the cells that have formed, and some of the color combinations are really interesting. The bright yellow popping through in various places is also pretty cool. Thanks for joining me today. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.